Okay. All right. We're going into the winter months of the calendar year. Yeah, right? So I'm going to be switching up my style when it comes to how I hydrate my low porosity type 4 kinky coarse hair. So I thought I would share that with you because I am just now coming to a realization that my winter routine needs to be far different from my summer routine based off of one fact. In the winter months, products do not melt into my hair. They actually ball up into weird little like balls, and they don't like ever mesh into the actual hair strand. They just sit there. So then after I style my hair and I take down my hair, sometimes I'll have just clumps of product sitting in there, and it's all because the product was never given the chance to melt into the hair strands. Okay, so I got the key. All right, listen up. This guy, yes, it is this is my grandmother's blow dryer. It's kind of dirty, but you know, don't judge. Judgment free zone here. Okay, yes, heat is not actually as bad as I thought it was. Now, I'm not somebody who even stands true to natural hair, what is it? What is the natural hair? Just hold on. Natural hair rules. I'm not somebody who sticks to natural hair rules in general. So I don't even know why I really stuck to this rule. I guess it might have been the fear of heat damage. Like, I don't really know. But to be honest with you, I'm not somebody who straightens my hair or even cares to have straight hair because I wear wigs, okay? So I know everybody's super into seeing how long their hair is, how many years they've been natural should mean they have hair down their back straightened. So they're super into it. I'm only into my hair growing down my back healthy and it being down my back at a shrinkage level, okay? That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for my hair straightened to be down my back. I'm looking for it in its shrunken state to be down my back. If I'm looking for straight hair, I could just wear a wig and get any length that I please. You know what I mean? So I don't necessarily think straightening is a good idea in that sense because we have wigs for that now. So when it comes to using heat, I never really thought to like just get a blow dryer to melt products into my hair. I'm always talking about if a product melts into the hair, does it have slip? Like, those are always my main concerns. And some of the products that I dag well know have slip and have meltability ease still were not melting in my hair in the wintertime. So that's where this guy came in. Now, I've seen people like Pretty Little Fro. She's a girl I collab with on YouTube. I really like her. She's super awesome. Okay, she has a quirky personality. Her hair, she just chopped it all off. But hey, I think, what is that other lady with the really cool channel, Kaice, I think that's her name. I'll leave them all in the description box below so you can check out some new people if you don't already know them. But you know, everybody's chopping off their hair. However, I did notice that when she had long hair, some of the videos on her channel, she incorporated heat into her routine. And her hair is flawless, in my opinion. And even with her doing the big chop, it's still flawless. I'm not sure if she still uses heat, but like I said, I'll leave all her information in the description box below. The other lady, I don't think uses heat. I don't really know. I don't think she does. But needless to say, heat is not that bad. Natural 85, maybe like what, a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. I feel like it was like 2 or 3 years ago, honestly. But she even started incorporating heat into her routine just so her hair would dry faster. And look at how her hair has thrived. Yo, if you're wondering why my hair is in this baggie, I'm currently doing a hair mask. Okay, so if I'm done with that video, I will go ahead and link it above. So don't worry about all this. Just listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth, okay? But heat is supposed to open up your hair strands, okay? The cuticle, hair shaft, I don't really know the specifics right now. I'm not a scientist. But it's supposed to open up your hair strands. Now, I think one of the negative connotations with it is it opens it up too much and it doesn't close it and it dries it out. and therefore damaging the hair further. I could see it. I could see it. However, I feel like using a blow dryer or using heat in general without product or without a barrier and product, matter of fact, that's where you're just going to be using heat directly onto the hair strand, and that could directly dry it out after it's already dry. Now, something I found out from a hair company that I'm getting ready to work with is water is not actually moisture for the hair. Okay? Blew my mind. I'm going to get into a further video on that specific topic, the fact that water does not equal moisture. Okay? I always thought it did, but apparently it doesn't. But let me just do some more research on that fact. What actually equals moisture for your hair strands is the sebum that comes from your scalp. That is legit moisture, okay? So with that being said, products that kind of mimic sebum, which is, typically what we're always trying to do, add back the moisture or add back the oils into our hair, which would be sebum. So that's what we're trying to do, being kinky headed, is add that back in. So before you jump out and just get your blow dryer and you're blow drying wet hair that has no moisture, that has no product on it, no barrier, no anything, I would highly suggest not doing that. Because then at that point is when you are damaging your hair with heat. Because there is no sebum, there is no moisture, there is no product. There is no reason you should be adding heat, okay? If you just want to dry your hair faster, get a towel for that, get a t-shirt for that. But do not actually get a blow dryer, because I feel like at that point that is when you are opening up your hair strand for no reason at all. There's no moisture seeping inside or anything. So what I'm going to be using this for throughout the month is actually going along with deep conditioning. Okay, if I have a product that is not melting into my hair, that is not a curl defining product, but it's actually a product that is aimed and marketed at adding moisture into my hair, that is what I will be using this for. Now, I've already done this. I've already been doing this. I probably started maybe 3 months ago, and I've also done it here and there throughout my 7-year-long journey. So it does work. I just don't do it all the time because I'm lazy, and it's another added step into my routine that I don't feel like doing. So that's why you haven't seen it like significantly on this channel. But I did want to let you guys know that that is what I'm going to be doing. Even in the Garnier, whatever, however you pronounce that. Even in that video, I didn't show it and I said it, but I guess either some of you guys didn't make it to that part of the video or you didn't really listen. But I used a hair dryer in order to get that product to melt into my hair because my room was so cold when I actually applied that product. So it almost did the product a disservice to not use any heat to get it to melt in, which is what I went down into my bathroom and did. And after I did that, the product started to react, like, I don't want to say wonderfully, but it actually started to react in a really good way, which made it kind of like, okay, if I buy that product again, I'll use it in the shower where I'm getting a lot of steam and a lot of heat, because at this point in time in the year, it's too cold to really like not be getting that heat and steam, in my hair. All right. So I'm really hoping that you're understanding what I'm saying, because I didn't really plan. I didn't plan this video. So it's like super candid. And I talk really fast and I think really fast. And then I'm going to go edit this video and find that the main points that I really wanted to hit are nowhere in here. Okay. So I'm going to put this video out regardless of what happens. But comment down below if you guys use heat in your natural hair regimens. And first of all, for y'all that are going to comment, don't use heat, blah, 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 blah. I'm a self-certified scientist and I know that you shouldn't use this. Please remember, everybody's hair is different, okay? Everybody has a different routine. Everybody has different... Ooh, is my eye twitching? Oh, I was so in a serious moment right there. everybody has a different routine, okay? And everyone can maintain their hair at different standards, levels, and times. So, to blatantly start bashing me or other people on this video for using heat is unacceptable, because you have no idea what that person's hair is like, what their hair can withstand. So to tell someone to not do something at all that has the potential to make their natural hair journey easier, shut it up. Shut it up. All right? You can calmly put your 2 cents into the comment section, but keep in mind, you do not know these people. Ow, what is in my eye? All right? You don't know these people. All right? I don't know these people either. So don't just be going around throwing 15 cents in the comment section and people only asked you for 2. All right? Make sense? Save your coin. And go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.